Hello friends, today we are learning basic knowledge in Excel. Okay, so first you write here this example YouTube. Okay, and make a in position. If you want to make a bold this one, then go to here B option. Also see there is a control plus B. You can also make with control plus B and also click in here. This one is go to bold. If you need to underline this one, you click here. And if you want to make a small and big, then you go to here capital A, this big A and small A. So when we click here, this one goes to big. When you click here, this one go to small. Also you can change from here this size, which size you want, which size you want. You can also change from here. Here you can change a letter number, letter color. Which one you need? Just I put green, so this one coming to green. This one you can change the page color, the change of a color of the writing your page, that one. See, you can change from here. Now we are going to insert. Here we are change illusion. You can also update a photo from here. You can update from this device, stock, online, and in shapes you can change. You can update any shapes. Example, I take this one, then we drop here this one. See, if you want to remove this one, just click delete button. Then also we are resizing a page from here. We also change the background from here. Here we are applying a formula.